Hello! This video is to shine a light on some easy ways to make extra cash from anywhere you can access the internet. This video is aimed for everyone in general, but especially for students who could use extra money in the bank. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to provide some useful tips to make some extra money, where all you need is just a computer or mobile device with a camera and microphone. These are tips that I have personally used to make anywhere from $5 to $10 in just 10 minutes. I will be also mentioning some experience that I have had where I have made $50 in Amazon gift cards in less than 30 minutes. In this video, I will include personal opinions on 3 of my go-to resources and their pros and cons. First, I will begin with MTurk, which is an Amazon affiliate. This is a crowdsourcing marketplace where members can complete surveys online, studies provided by universities, well-known companies, and startups. The pro is that you always qualify for something. The con is that it won't always be high paying, and reimbursement is a little tricky. The surveys and studies range from anywhere from a few cents for identifying objects in a photos to taking photos of, for example, shoes of different profiles of the shoes that pay up to $15 to $18 and will take you 20 minutes, 30 minutes. When you want to access to your money that you have earned, you need to send it to your created Amazon payments account. This transfer can take another 1 to 3 days. Once created, you have the option of sending the money to the bank account linked or being reimbursement on digital gift cards in Amazon. Second, we have Intellisum. This is a good resource to do surveys in your spare time. When registering, you will be asked to fill out your profile with demographic information, for instance, area where you live, city, state, gender, income household, and ethnicity. Once you complete your profile, you will be directed to complete sample survey, where they will be test your microphone and camera. Note that they don't record your face, only your screen. Once you complete the sample survey and your profile is verified, usually in about 72 hours, you will be sent email surveys. Once you accept to take the survey, you will be asked to complete a pre-qualification survey to verify if you can do it, if you qualify for it. This survey usually earn up to $5 to $8 and take as little as 5 to 10 minutes. The con is that payment for these studies take up to 21 business days from the day that the study is approved. Understand, this is not including weekends, just the business days. The pro is that the money is sent directly to your PayPal account that is linked to the email address that you use to create your Intellisum profile, making it easier to access your money. Third, user testing. User testing is very similar to Intellisum. You create an account where you provide your demographic information, and just like with Intellisum, you complete a practice survey where your camera and microphone will be tested. Once the study and account is approved, it usually takes 2 or 3 days. You will start receiving email notifications of surveys or studies that match with your information, with your demographic information. The difference mainly begins that you earn from $10 and up. Surveys including some that can be completed via phone call that can you earn up to $50 to $60 in just 30 minutes, assuming you qualify for them, of course. Secondly, there are a higher quantity of surveys available on daily basis, but you will find that you don't always qualify for them. Most importantly, you are reimbursed for the surveys on the seventh day that you submit your survey to the PayPal account linked to the email you used to create the profile. Alright guys, there you go. These are just a few resources that I have personally used. There are several more available online. These are just my personal favorites that I found easiest to deal with as far as reimbursement. There is a bunch of others out there. Some of other include writing articles and sending them to blogs, magazines, um, websites where they can pay you per word, most of the time earning you over $100. There is even websites where you can do certain tasks, like for example, photo editing for people, and they are going to pay you depending on your ability. Stay tuned. I will be uploading a video on how you can save some money and cut costs on your daily life. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and more importantly, hopefully it proved useful for you. I'll see you soon.